Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to export Relume to Figma. Now the first thing I want you to do is come here and open up Relume, come at the top right and click on this icon, okay? And then choose the export format, choose Figma, click here on export, and then I want you to come here and first open the Relume Figma kit. So click here, open in Figma, and then I want you to click again on opening Figma, opening this kit. And once it is opened, as you can see right here, I want you to go back to the other tab. Now I want you to click on install plugin. We're going to be installing the Relume Figma plugin. So click on install plugin. Come here, click on open in, and then choose your recent file, which we had just created, Relume Figma kit. Or you can go ahead and use a new file. I'll just click on this one. And then it will prompt you to log in to the plugin. Once you click on run, now come here, click on login. You can log in with your email and password or with your Google account. And once you're done with that, your account will be successfully linked. And now you can close this tab and head back to Figma to start using the plugin. Okay, so come back here and you will be able to see on this plugin your different projects. So just click on your project and then you'll see what you would like to import from this project. So you can import either the style guide and concept, wireframes, or the sitemap of your project. I'll just choose style guide and concept, and I'll just choose this concept right here. Click on continue. And if there's any missing fonts, you can go and replace those, or you can click on continue with missing fonts, and then just give it about 10 minutes while it imports Relume to Figma. It's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.